Hello everyone, this is Raminda Johnson. I am a yoga and meditation teacher and weight loss coach. Today we are going to talk about meditation. What is meditation, how to do it, and what are the benefits of doing it. So meditation is a practice in which we use a technique to focus our mind on a particular object, thoughts, things or activity and train our mind and attention. With a regular practice of doing it, we get mental clarity, we becoming emotionally calm and get the stability of your mind. Meditation is an act of remaining in a silent and calm state of mind for a period of time so that you can become more able to deal with the day-to-day life. You might heard about the mindful meditation as well. Mindful meditation in which we learning to pay attention on our breath as it is going in and out and notice when your awareness going around. The practice of bringing back the attention to your breath strengthen the muscles of your mind and your attention and awareness, and you becoming more and more mindful day by day. So how to do it? You have to start with at least 5-minute meditation every day. It is very simple and easy, but you have to be very consistent about it. You can do 5-minute meditation any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, evening, or even you can do before you go to bed. So the technique I am going to tell you is to concentrate on your breath. We choose breath as it is stay with us all the time, every moment. So it is very easy. How to do it? Just find any quiet place with a straightened back and with closing your eyes and focus on your breath. Deep inhale. Pause for a second and slowly exhale. Inhale. Pause and slowly exhale. Continue to do it at least for 5 minutes. You might count your breath as well. And if your attention wanders around, don't be impatient, don't frustrate. Just bring it back to your breath and then continue it. You have to be very patient. So what are the benefits of doing it? On the mental level, you reducing stress, reducing anxiety, reducing depression. And on the physical level, you are reducing the chronic pain if you have in your body. You reduces the heart diseases. It maintains the blood pressure level, maintains the blood sugar level. And other benefits, you enhances the self-awareness. You get the clarity of your mind. It sharpens your mind. It improves the concentration. It improves your sleep. And other thing, as I told you, you will get emotionally becoming more calm. And you will become more kinder person and calm person day by day. It will create a love for everyone around you. So, and above all, it improves the immunity of your body as well. If you have good immune system, you can fight with the viruses and bacteria around you that we really need nowadays because of the pandemic situation of COVID-19 nowadays. So many other benefits and different techniques of doing it I will discuss in the next video. But for now, start with the 5-minute meditation any time of the day or anywhere at home or out, wherever you want. So thank you for watching me, but don't forget to like and share my page, Power of Yoga and Meditation. See you in the next video.